Hi, in this video I will show you how to connect Nintendo Switch 2 to your TV. So in order to do this, you have in here several things that you need. You need a Nintendo Switch 2 console, official Switch 2 dock, official high-speed HDMI cable, as well as official Switch 2 AC adapter. You also need a TV or monitor with HDMI input and make sure that your TV supports 4K, HDR10, HDMI 2.1 to fully exploit Switch 2's display requirements. First things first that you need to do is to remove the dock's back panel and pull it back from the top. So this reveals all connection ports that you'll need for setup. Next is to connect the HDMI cable to your display. You can just input right here the actual HDMI cable and connect the other end to your HDMI input on your TV or monitor. After that, connect the power adapter that you have and plug it into the dock power port and connect the other end to the wall outlet. After this, you can position the dock wherein you want to input it. Just put it on a stable, flat surface near a TV so that it won't get knocked over. After that, you can just head over and then insert your switch 2 in order to proceed with your dock with the screen facing the same direction as your front opening. So in here, we have some suggestions of how much it costs for the Nintendo Switch as well as OLED for this case. Once you have done everything, you can now successfully get the best out of your Nintendo Switch right there. So that's how you connect Nintendo Switch 2 to your TV. Hope we helped.